Hello children, today we shall learn second class English poem How They Sleep. So children, when do we feel sleepy? When we are tired, we feel sleepy, right? So when you feel sleepy, where do you sleep? Do you sleep on a floor? Do you sleep on a sofa? Do you sleep in a bed? Or do you sleep in a car? Where do you sleep? Which spot is most comfortable for you to sleep? Generally, we choose bed to sleep because it is most comfortable place. Okay, if you sleep on floor or on sofa or in a car, it is not much comfortable place to sleep, right? If you sleep on a sofa, you may fall off from the sofa. It is not much secured place. Bed is most comfortable and secured place to sleep, and it is most relaxable place to sleep. Okay, you get some rest if you sleep comfortably on a bed, right? So, here in this poem, we shall see how different animals sleep in a different way. Okay, here some things go to sleep in such a funny way. Funny means what? When you see something you feel like laughing at, then it is called funny. For example, when you see a joker, you feel like laughing at because joker does funny things. Then you feel like laughing, right? That is called funny. Here also, different animals sleep in a different way. When you look at them sleeping like that, you feel like laughing. That is called funny. Okay? So some things go to sleep in such a funny way. Okay, let us see how different animals sleep in a different way. Little birds stand on one leg and tuck their heads away. How do little birds sleep? Little birds stand on one leg. Here, look at the picture. You can see this little bird standing on one leg and tuck their heads away. Little birds stand on one leg and tuck their heads away. Tuck means turn. See, here the bird turned its head away. It stood on one leg. Okay. Little birds stand on one leg and tuck their heads away. Chickens do the same. Chickens means babies of hens. Even hens also sleep in the same way. How? They stand on one leg and tuck their heads away, standing on their perch. Perch means the place where the chickens live is called perch. Okay, standing on their perch, they too sleep in the same way how birds sleep. They stand on one leg and tuck their heads away, turn their heads away. Next, we shall see how little mice sleep. What do you mean by mice? Mice are nothing but little rats. Okay, little mice lie soft and still. Lie soft and still means sleeping on a floor or on a bed is called lying down. Little mice lie soft and still. How do little mice look? Very soft, right? So when you see them sleeping, they are very soft and still. Still means without any movement. Okay? Still, soft and still. Little mice lie soft and still as if they were in church. As if they were in church means, how do you feel in a church? You feel very calm and peaceful, right? Same way, here rats also or mice also sleep very calmly and peacefully without any movement in their body. So little mice lie soft and still as if they were in church. We shall see how kittens sleep. Kittens means what? Babies of cats. Okay, kittens curl up close in such a funny ball. How they sleep? They curl up. Curl up means fold their head and limbs together. They bring their head and limbs closely together and they sleep. Can you see the picture here? How it is looking? It is looking like a ball. And when you see it sleeping like that, it is looking so funny, right? So kittens curl up close in such a funny ball. It is looking like a funny ball when it is sleeping closely like this. Next, we shall see how horses sleep. Horses hang their sleepy heads, okay, and stand still in a stall. Stand still means without any movement. They stand in their stalls without any movement and they hang their sleepy heads. Can you see the picture here? How this horse hang its sleepy head? Okay, horses hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. Next, we shall see how dogs sleep. Sometimes dogs stretch out or curl up in a heap. How do dogs sleep? Sometimes they stretch out. Stretch out means they put out their legs and hands away. Sometimes they curl up. Okay, just like little kittens, they too curl up. They bring heads and limbs together closely and they sleep. Now here, the dogs when they sleep, they are looking like a heap. Heap means what? When you put things or keep things on one top of each other, that is called a heap. Heap means like this. This is a heap. Here, can you see the picture? How it is looking like? It is looking like a heap. Sometimes dogs stretch out or curl up in a heap. Okay, next. We shall see how cows sleep. Cows lie down upon their sides when they would go to sleep. So, when cows feel sleepy, they just lie down upon their sides. On their sides, they sleep, cows. Okay. Next, we shall see how little babies sleep. But little babies, dear, are snugly tucked in beds. Means what? How do we make the babies to sleep? We generally make the babies to sleep in beds, right? But little babies, dear, are, how do little babies look? They are very dear, they are very sweet, right? So, we make them to sleep in beds. But little babies, dear, are snugly. Snugly means very comfortably, very cozily, very warmly. They are tucked in beds. Tucked means folded. They are folded in beds and they are made to sleep. Warm with blankets. We fold them. We fold the baby in blankets. Also soft, very soft blankets. We fold them. And pillows for their heads. We put soft pillows under their heads and we make them to sleep in bed. Right? So, but little babies, dear, are snugly tucked in beds. Snugly means cozily, comfortably, warmly. Tucked in beds means folded in blankets and they are made to sleep in beds. Warm with blankets. Warm means to keep them away from cold. We fold them in blankets, soft blankets, and we also keep pillows under their heads. Okay, this is about the poem, how they sleep.